How to add another account in Temu application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily add another account on your Temu application. So first thing, just head over to your Temu application just like this. And since you have been successfully logged into your current account, to add another account, all you have to do is just click on this top right corner, which will take you to settings. And from over here, all you have to do is just click on this switch accounts right above the sign out button over here. So just tap on it and just click on this add account button over here, and it will tell you to ask you to write any of the Google account or Facebook account, or continue with email or phone number as well. So I will just click on continue with email and click on my Gmail over here just like this. And once you enter your email, just enter your password just like this, and then just click on sign in. And after your user registration is successful, you should be successfully logged into your new Temu account. And just like that, you can easily add another account on your Temu application. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.